Raila Muludinga was a member of this diocese and was also a member of this parish, the parish of Nyamira, St. Peter's Church, Nyamira, where he was a faithful member. And even that church is feeling greatly in a great loss because of the enormous presence of Raila Odinga's family in that church, which now is going to be a one minus. I just want to tell the whole world that Raila was a faithful member of the Anglican Church. He was baptized under controversial circumstances when a white priest refused to baptize him because the father chose the name Raila Odinga instead of a Mr. John or David or something else. So, due to the intervention from the Archbishop of Canterbury, Raila was baptized in the Anglican Church. And before he died, it took him long before